Hello everyone, I am Vijay Kumar and welcome you here. In this video, we are going to discuss about a course where you will become MongoDB developer, and this free course is a package for you where you will learn 6 courses as a bundle, and this course is being provided to you from MongoDB University. So friends, stay tuned with me because I am going to tell you every information where you will get to know all the component of this course, and also I am going to tell you about the official homepage where you will be taking this path and enrolling yourself and going ahead with the course. So friends, let's come on to the official web page where you will see detail further. You can see that on my screen I have a web page open where this course is being offered by MongoDB University, and this course is for being developer. And if you want to learn DBA course, you can also go ahead with this. So now let's come on to the component of this course where what you will learn we shall see in the course components. So we are going bottom of this page where you will see course detail and all the 6 courses, where the first course is M001 where you will learn MongoDB basics, and the second course is M103 where you will learn basic cluster administration, where you will learn essentials of database administration in MongoDB. The third course is M121 where you will learn aggression framework, and you will also learn how to use MongoDB's aggression framework. Friends, in fourth course, which is M220, where you will learn MongoDB for developers, means this course is basically specialized course for being developer. You will learn everything you need to know to get started building a MongoDB based app in Python, Java or JavaScript. So friends, now you are on to your developer path. In fifth course, which is M201, where you will learn MongoDB performance, where you will learn how to optimize the performance of your MongoDB deployment. And the sixth course is friends M320, where you will learn MongoDB data modeling, where you will learn everything you need to know about data modeling for MongoDB. The basic information about the course contents, you can further dig into the course and know more about these courses, where now I am going into one of the first course which is MongoDB basic. I am digging into it and clicking view info. When I click into it, I land on to further detail about this course, where you will see MongoDB basics, you will learn fundamentals of MongoDB, and you can see that the next session is going to start on May 26 at 17 UTC, and it will end on July 28. So friends, this course you can register from here, and you can also see the instructor information from here, and what you will learn that is also being given here. The prerequisite, you can see that basic knowledge of programming concepts such as command line or Unix shell commands, functions, variables and boolean operators. So this is actually prerequisite to go ahead with the basic knowledge of MongoDB. So friends, this is first course in your developer path, and again I am going back onto course detail, where I shall dig into second course, and the second course is basic cluster administration. And in this course, when I dig into it, you will see further detail about the second course. Now you can see that the second course is being provided by instructors, and the detail about the instructor is given here. and this will again start on May 26, and the next session which is being given here, and the prerequisite is required is taking course M001. So friends, you have to start from first course. If you are taking MongoDB first time, then M001 is your path to start. So friends, this 6 course bundle is going to be very useful for you, and if you want to become MongoDB developer, then you can start from here, and this free course will become a booster for your career. You may land into a new job, or if you are looking for job, then this will help, or if you are already doing a job, then you can be presenting yourself with a uh, enhanced skills in your organizations. Now you can note down URL of this course where you can go and enroll yourself for free. So now I am showing you the URL on my screen. This URL is https university.mongodb.com/learning_path/developer. So friends, you can note down this URL and put into your browser, and you will be taken to the course where you can join and start learning. So friends, go ahead with this and do share with this course to your friends so that they can also be benefited, and do share and like my video so that I can come up with more videos in future. Thank you friends, see you in next video.